Hello and welcome. If you want to see subtitles in your favorite language, like Sinhala, change the subtitle language settings, and YouTube will automatically convert them into that language. Let's watch the entire video now.
Cricket is like opium to many people in underdeveloped Asian countries, and everyone claims to be an expert, especially during an international competition. Here's a little-known cricket tidbit for such specialists, in the hopes of broadening their views even further. The term Chinaman in cricket refers to a left-arm wrist spin bowling style, and it is also used to describe a delivery bowled by a practitioner of this style. A Chinaman bowler is a left-arm wrist spinner who turns the ball into a right-handed batsman, much like a conventional leg spinner would. The origin of the term Chinaman is somewhat unclear, and there are a few theories regarding its history. One popular anecdote attributes the term to an incident involving Ellis Achong, a Chinese-ancestry cricketer from the West Indies. In a test match against England in 1933, Achong, who was a left-arm spinner, dismissed English batsman Walter Robbins with a delivery that turned the opposite way expected. As Robbins walked back to the pavilion, he allegedly said, "Fancy being done by a bloody Chinaman." This incident is often cited as the source of the term. It's important to note that the use of the term Chinaman has been criticized as potentially offensive and racially insensitive. In recent years, there has been a growing awareness and sensitivity regarding the use of terms with racial or ethnic connotations in cricket and other sports. Some have advocated for more inclusive language, and the term left-arm unorthodox spinner is sometimes used as an alternative to describe bowlers with this particular style. Despite the controversy, the term Chinaman is still used by some cricket commentators and fans. However, it is becoming increasingly rare, and there is a growing movement to replace it with more neutral terms such as wrist spin or left-arm spin. Here are some of the reasons why the term Chinaman is considered offensive. 1. It is a racial slur that was originally used to stereotype and demean Chinese people. 2. An outdated term that is no longer relevant to cricket. 3. And disrespectful to left-arm wrist spinners, who are not all of Chinese descent. For these reasons, many believe it is best to avoid using the term Chinaman and instead use more neutral terms to describe left-arm wrist spin deliveries. In 2017, The Guardian newspaper called for the term to be consigned to the past, arguing that it is an absurd anachronism and a reminder of cricket's colonial past. However, my feelings on this differ because this term is really distinctive and one of a kind, and hence efforts should not be made to bury it alive or wait until China takes over the cricketing globe by surprise soon. In modern cricket, the technique itself is more commonly referred to as left-arm wrist spin or unorthodox spin, focusing on the technical
If you wish
aspects
to
of the
see
bowling
similar
style
videos
rather
in the
than using
future,
potentially
please
offensive
leave
terminology
a comment,
based on ethnicity.
subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button to get notified when a new video is posted. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Have a nice day.